October 2nd, and this is Motts Mills. It's a little park conservation area between Toledo and Lombardy. And this is County Road 1 right here. Kind of a busy road most of the time. And there's a placard. Pause that. And I'll see how long this GoPro works because it's been acting up. It's telling me I have 80% battery, but you never know. And there's another placard. A nice little park. And as you can tell, there's really not much here. It's a nice little swamp. And this being October 2nd, there's not much in the way of water, so it's pretty dry out here. If you come here in the spring, these things are flooded right over. And these lead to culverts down there, and there's like a little stream. Surprising enough, I haven't seen any water snakes here ever. Lots of turtles. Really nice little quiet area. There's a little bird. I guess you would say it's similar to Kings Mills, kind of just between Sterling and Marmora. It's a little dam and a little pond. Really nothing here, except Kings Mills has got the historical mill. This doesn't have that anymore. Just remnants of the dam. Even got the flow gauge on that. There's a plaque on it from 1952. I don't know how that's going to come out on the camera. They got a little walking trail. And it's only a small trail, so. Again, beautiful day for October 2nd. We've had years that have been blustery at this time. And really, you can't get lost in here because it just doesn't go anywhere. And there's a chipmunk. When the water is running, there is a little rapids here. Now it's just a trickle of water. A bunch of birds, blackbirds. And the piers are right up there. Pretty old dam. Beautiful fall day. And out in the middle of nowhere, there's a seat. And there's where we were, walking on the rocks. There's a bench out in the middle of the woods. So we came out of that trail. We're going to go back up this trail. Like I said, it's not a very big park. If you like birding, there's lots of birds here. And there's County Road 1. And right back out to the parking lot. And that's about it for Motts Mills Conservation Area. One of my favorite little quiet spots.